my name is Michelle White, and this is my tutorial on Google Fonts. So as you guys can see, we do have a layout sort of displaying, and a lot of questions we usually get is a lot of our clients want to bring in their own branding fonts, which is, we completely get it. The one way we've sort of been successful at doing is we bring in what we call Google Fonts. So let's kind of close out of here, and all I did, you guys, was go and type in Google Fonts, and I am brought into this platform. Now there are about, 959 fonts to choose from. And how we get this to work, you guys, it's sort of two steps. Now, any of our clients who sort of understand, a basic knowledge of like CSS and HTML, this is really going to make sense, but I will do my best to sort of bring it into a level for someone who doesn't understand it. So essentially how we get Google Fonts to work is we use a thing called style sheets. And basically what style sheet is, it's basically telling the CMS what font to display. Now the nice thing is that Google Fonts provides all the information we need. So let's go ahead and pick one just off the bat that's kind of unique. That way when I sort of apply it, you guys can sort of quickly tell that like, oh wow, it did change. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to do this one. So what I'll do is I'll hit the red X or red plus here. And it does come down with this bottom right sort of pop-up. And this is all the information you need, guys. So here's the style sheet, okay? So again, I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to go back into my layout. Now, I actually already have one created, but what you'll do is you're going to create a new zone. So you're going to maybe just call it fonts. You can call it Google Fonts. You can do, whatever you want there. You'll hit next. And then again, just enter some sort of information in. Now, as you can see right here in the bottom left, I've already just done this. I just put 100, 100. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to add what we call a custom widget. So you'll add the custom widget right here. And then you'll jump into the second tab here, and you're going to paste what we just copied. So this is the style sheet. Now the last and final step is to tell these widgets what font to use. And again, Google Fonts provides that information. So again, I'm going to sort of copy this again. I'm hitting Control C because I am on a Windows. I'm going to go back into my layout editor, and I'm going to tackle just the time and date for this particular tutorial. And I'm going to go right into style. Now, as you can see, I already have a font being displayed, but I'm going to override that. I'm going to use the one that you and I just grabbed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the advanced version, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm just going to paste, Control V, paste exactly what we just copied. Now, when I hit OK and preview this, you and I are going to see that crazy font. And voila, as you can see, there it is. Now, obviously, I might have to make some adjustments, right, into my font size. I might have to make my zone a little bit bigger. Every font is a little bit different as far as how they're created and their styles and their width and all that. But again, I would do those exact same steps. So again, if I want my weather to look like that, I would just double click in here. I'm going to tackle the style tab. That's right away where I'm going to tackle. And then right in here, if you guys don't see a font, I'm just going to paste it in. And again, you just kind of go one by one applying those widgets with that font. So hopefully that all makes sense, you guys. If you do have any additional questions, definitely give us a call. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.